Hello, gentlemen. Hope everybody enjoyed the 4th of July weekend. Got a little chance for some rest and relaxation. It is hopefully Monday, July 8th, which is the last day to switch from credit to preview if you're interested in doing that. Each of you should have received an email from me with a great detail report showing you your progress thus far in the class and where you stand. So if you're in that situation where you want to have a discussion about whether or not you should stay as a credit class, because remember, if you do continue as a credit class, this grade will show up on your transcript. But if you want to have that conversation, please shoot me an email, let me know, and we can set up a time to talk and discuss about what's coming up for the rest of the course and whether or not it's a good idea for you to switch to preview at this point or to continue on as credit. In any event, we need to have a productive final 3 weeks of the class, and we're going to continue on with week 4 in looking at trigonometric functions. We sort of got a little bit of a taste of it at the end of week 3, but we're going to move forward on that. Week 4 is going to be all trig, and we're going to start by focusing on, we're going to look at right triangle trig to start. Then we're going to pay attention and focus on the graphs of the sine and cosine function initially. We're going to look at period, we're going to look at amplitude, we're going to look at phase shifts, we're going to look at how different aspects of the equation will change how the graph looks. Then we're going to go look at the other trig functions. We're going to look at tan, cotan, secant, and cosecant, look at what their graphs look like, and again study how different parts of equations can change the behavior, the amplitude, or the period, things of that nature. So there's a lot of graphing stuff in this particular section. Then we're going to look at some inverse trig. We're going to look at the graphs of inverse trigs. We're going to look at limiting the domain of the trig function so that they do have inverses, and we're going to look at equations involving inverse trig and how to solve them. So it's a busy week. There's a lot of material here. Again, I would go back and tell you, make sure you know your unit circle. That's going to be important. But there's 10 total videos this week, which is kind of nice. 2 a day would work out perfectly and give you some time during the week to start working on your problem set. Okay. I recommend that everybody attend some of these Google Hangout sessions. They can be very productive. I'll post those times on the website. I'll have them Tuesday through Friday. At least one of them will be in the evening. So hopefully I can get to everybody and get some extra help out there. Final 3 weeks of the class, fellas. If you have any questions, make sure you're emailing me, and make sure that if you're contemplating dropping down to preview, that you touch base with me sometime today. All right. Have a good day, fellas, and good luck with week 4.